Today we will see how to do the descriptive statistics using data analysis toolpath. So on the top corner, on the top side, we have the different menus. You can go to data, you will get the data analysis tools. In that we have to search for descriptive statistics. So we get the descriptive statistics. Now select the variable range with the data so that so as to get the input range. So we will select the columns from E to I and we will select all the rows. Now we want the descriptive statistics of this data, that is, it is grouped by columns. That means I want the mean of days to 50% flowering, okay, median, variance of these columns. So group by columns. Labels are in first row, yes. Output range, select the cell on the same Excel sheet so that you can know the descriptive statistic for each columns. So just click on summary statistics, then OK. Now here you can see that the rows, that is row label, sorry, the column labels are not in the correct manner. So for each column we have this list of the descriptive statistics. We don't want this list, we want only values. So what we can do, we can just cut these headings and paste such that it will be on the top of the data set. So just delete the one by one. So this is what the required table for your presentation or your papers or your research article, or you can say the reports. So this is what the mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum value, maximum value, sum of all the values, count how many values are there. So this is how we can get the descriptive statistic using data analysis tool.